There's some pretty strong reactions have come in from around the world a day after the International Criminal Court announced an arrest warrant against the Russian President Vladimir Putin. Now, the ICC has also issued an arrest warrant against Russia's Presidential Commissioner for Child Rights, Maria Vova-Bilova. Russia is being accused of war crimes for allegedly deporting the Ukrainian children illegally. Now, many in the international community have both praised and condemned the move, but the impact of the warrant remains unclear. While the United States has called the arrest warrant as justified and has alleged that war crimes were committed by the Russian side in Ukraine, President Putin has admitted that the warrant simply remains unrecognized even by the United States.
I think it's justified, but the question is, it's not recognized internationally by us either. But I think it makes a very strong point.
So what does the arrest warrant mean for President Putin? How does it impact the war in Ukraine, and is the warrant even enforceable? International judicial bodies and also special courts have conducted proceedings against leaders accused of war crimes in the past as well. The Nuremberg trials held in 1945 to 46 were the first tribunals of their kind to sentence the high-ranking Nazi leadership in the light of the evidence revealing the Holocaust and other atrocities. Charles Taylor, a former Liberian president, was convicted by a special court in 2012 and was sentenced to 50 years in prison for war crimes committed during the Sierra Leone Civil War. He became the first head of the state to have been tried and charged since Nuremberg. Established in 2002, the International Criminal Court has conducted 17 investigations so far and has convicted only about 5 men for war crimes and crimes against humanity till date. While the court has about 123 members, Russian Federation isn't one of them. The United States, China, Israel, India and even Ukraine have all refused to join in as member states, arguing the court's jurisdiction can in fact be used for politically motivated prosecutions. The ICC also has no executive arm to enforce its warrants, and it relies on its member states to make these arrests.
The allegation is they have been taken by air, by road, by train into the Russian Federation, and they've been given up for adoption. Laws have been passed by presidential decree, and they've been taught not in Ukrainian but in Russian, and they've been rendered into Russian citizens purportedly. And it seems that this is clearly in breach of the 4th Geneva Convention, and this is why we moved forward when the evidence required us to do so.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.